Electricity isn't just for powering your phone, its story is more shocking than you think. Our journey kicks off with the ancient Greeks. Thales of Miletus noticed rubbing amber with fur attracted small objects. Yup, static electricity was born. Fast forward to the 18th century and we meet Benjamin Franklin. Picture this, a man, a kite and a thunderstorm. Franklin's experiments introduced us to positive and negative charges and the idea that charge is conserved. Then there's Charles Augustin de Coulomb. His torsion balance experiments in the late 1700s gave us Coulomb's law, which describes the force between two charges. Math meets electricity. Jump to the early 20th century and we have Robert Millikan's oil drop experiment. He showed that electric charge is quantized, tiny, discrete packets of electricity. Finally, with quantum mechanics, we realize protons and electrons carry positive and negative charges, refining our understanding of charge conservation and quantization. From amber to electrons, these discoveries built the foundation of electromagnetism. So, next time you zap yourself on a doorknob, thank these brilliant minds.
That's all folks. So आज के सेशन में बस इतना ही. Hopefully this session was useful and interesting for you. So thanks a lot for watching.